Hello guys, welcome back. So, if you've just purchased a Harbor Breeze ceiling fan and are getting ready to install it, you might feel a bit unsure about where to start, especially if this is your first time handling a ceiling fixture. Installing a fan involves both electrical connections and proper mounting, so it's important to follow the correct process to ensure everything is safe and secure. Many people get stuck during installation because of wiring confusion or improper assembly, but once you understand the sequence, the entire process becomes much easier. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to install your Harbor Breeze ceiling fan safely and correctly. Try these. Step 1. Turn off power at the breaker before starting installation. Step 2. Assemble the fan components according to the setup. Step 3. Mount the ceiling bracket securely to the ceiling box. Step 4. Connect the wiring between the fan and ceiling. Step 5. Attach the fan motor and blades properly. Step 6. Turn the power back on and test the fan and light.